although we will have 11 members instead of the initial roster of 12, as Yoo Jun-won has opted out due to differences in opinion. The band's agency Pokeball Studio said, "We regret to announce that Yoo Jun-won will not join the band on his journey, having broken off from the group without our consent." According to the agency, Yoo's parents demanded that he get a higher cut of the band's income because he received the highest score during the audition program. The remaining members will continue without Yoo with the group to make their first appearance in September. All members of BTS succeeded in making it into Billboard's main single chart, Hot 100, with solo songs. This is another historic achievement for the megastars, who earlier announced they would have to suspend performing as a group in order to fulfill their mandatory military service. Following the hiatus as a group, each member ventured into their solo music careers as they released individual songs, starting with Jin. Since then, all members have released their solo singles or mini-albums. Reflecting their continuing success, Jin's Astronaut peaked at number 51 on Billboard's Hot 100 chart, with RM's Wildflower at 83, J-Hope's On the Street at 60, and Suga's Hagum at 58. Jimin's Like Crazy and Jungkook's 7 both topped the chart at number 1, with V making his soloist debut at 96 on the coveted charts with Love Me Again. The 7 finalists of cable network Mnet's audition show Kingdom Puzzle have been announced. Huiseo, Nana, Yuki, Kei, Yeorim, Yeonhee, and Yeon came in from 1st to 7th places respectively and will make up Lsop. Lsop will kick off its official activities with its first album release before the end of the year, followed by overseas activities.